I show you how to install WordPress with security. First, go to your XAMPP folder, then htdocs, and create a new folder. Give a name, whatever you want. I just call it WP website -professional. Where is the folder? You see, it is blank. Remember the path of the folder and close it. Now open any browser and type WordPress. This is official WordPress website, wordpress.org. You see the download WordPress version. Download WordPress 4.9.8. Please read the requirements for new version. It is very important. If your XAMPP folder is not updated, see my description. There is another tutorial. You can learn how to update your PHP or phpmyadmin. Here is my download folder. It is named my download. You see, it is also blank. Now I am saving. And you can close it. Open your download folder. Here is WordPress zip file. We need to extract it. Extract this file into the newly created folder. Just computer, C drive, then XAMPP folder, then htdocs. Here is htdocs. And find your folder. Here is my folder. Select it and press OK. You see the path. It must be correct, then press OK. Now go to your C drive and check the folder. Are there any WordPress file or folder there? Now I am checking. Here is my folder. You see the WordPress file is here. Folder, sorry. You see the WordPress. But there are some problems because we have two extra level. We must go to back 2 level. Just copy all of the folder and files. Just copy it and paste it in your folder. Here. This is the path. Paste it. Now we can delete the WordPress 4.9.8 folder. Remember, always keep your folder clean. It is better for security. No need to keep extra folder or file here. Here is all 19 items. It is WordPress file and folders. Close it. I want to set my folder name. You see my folder name. It will be necessary next time. It is very important. I also recommend you, please open any text editor and save it. Go to the XAMPP control panel and start Apache and mysql. Then phpmyadmin and login. I am logging. Here is my old database. Create a new database. You can press new or you can press database. Just click and the window will come here. You see, create database. I already prepared all the file and folder name. Here is my database name, WP website _pro, and select collision. It is better. If you are professional, you can choose others, but I am selecting collision. It is also good. You see, the database already here. We need to create a table. I am just changing 4 to 8. I like 8, I don't like 4. You can keep it 4. It is also good. Here is my table name and press go. You see, the table, 8 table columns are here. We need to fill up all of them. Now, first ID and type will be int and 11. Length value 11. By default, it is 11. You can change it. Then first name, it will be Burchard, and by default it is 255. Last name, It is also voucher and 255. Then I just complete it. You see that bio, date, and email. Voucher and 255. Now account permission. Enum. You see? Enum. Just I am making it clear for you. Press here and just type A, B, C, D, what you like. Oh, sorry, I cannot type A, B, then C. It is very difficult for me. Oh, it is also not good. There will be B, then C, then D. You see, ABC. It is very easy. It is difficult for me, but for you it will be very easy. Then verified account. The type will be enum and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And press go as defined. 1. I think it is clear for you. You can preview it or save it. You see all the database is here. You can change it and press save if you like. Here is our database. You can drop or you can create. Now I want to drop last name. Just press drop, then press confirm it. Okay. I just drop it for example. You can keep it. Table is already ready. Now we need to create user. Just press database and you see the end of the database. This is pro. This is our database and click here and add user account. Make sure this is your database name. Add user account. Again, I am opening my Notepad. All information is here. It is easy to make. Give a username. I just copy and paste it here. You see? And it must be localhost. password. Remember, it must be strong. I'm showing you how to I create password, my password, not you. You can create your password what you want. Don't make your password easy. If your password not strong, the site will be hacked within 5 seconds. Just I'm creating from one password to another password. It is good and it's strong, but some cause it is not showing this field. I don't know why. Okay, it is no problem. No password, never saved. You see, I'm typing 1, 2, 3. Extremely weak. Don't do this. Don't do this again. Native MySQL, it is good. Then you must check global privileges. Check all. You see all the right mark. Then press go. You see, we created new user. Here is our database name. Now type localhost. Sorry. Just type localhost, then backslash and your folder name. Your folder name. Not my folder name, your folder name. Here is WordPress. You see magic. You can select your language. Choose your language, what you like, what is your native language. You can choose Russian, Hindi if you know it. I know Russian. I select English. And here is the interface, your database name, database username. Let's go. You see the database name. It is very difficult to remember. It is better than type anywhere. Then copy and paste. Here is my database name. This is my username. This is my password. It is long and secure. I'm using uppercase, lowercase number and symbol. You see the WordPress prefix. It is very interesting thing. Never use WP. It is not secure. I don't use it. Always I change. You can change whatever you want. You see, I'm typing WA, WPP, WA, or CPP, WA, or WPP, WA. You see, last, this is my table prefix. And submit, press. And run the installation. Give the site title name. Your site title, not mine. Again, this is your site name, whatever you like. My site name, WordPress professional website. And this is my username. You see? And the password. You can choose this one. It is very strong, but it is very difficult to remember. Here is my password. And your email. Not my email. I am putting my email, but you put your email. And click here because we are on local development. Remember, when you will go to live, you must uncheck this one. Install. Wow, success! Magic. WordPress magic. Let's go. Type your username. This is my username. And this is my password. Click remember me and log in. Oh, we have WordPress site now. You see the username, howdy, always ready to show his name or her name, everyone. The nice picture. This is 2017 WordPress theme. We'll create child theme next tutorial. Here is arrow. Just click it and it will go up. But why it is not uploading every picture? go to dashboard, then settings, then go to general. You see, we'll change something here, not now, maybe next tutorial. Now we'll change the permalinks. It is important for SEO, search engine optimization. By default, it is day and name, but we put it post name. You see, post name and save changes. It is already updated. This is official WordPress website. PHP config file. It is very important file. You see the security key. Don't use this block. Never use this block. I will show you how to change it. Go to your C drive and XAMPP folder, then htdocs, then your folder, website folder. You see all file and folder is here. Open wp config php file. Here is wp config.php file. You see here is a security key. We'll change something here. Just watch it. Just follow it. What I am doing. Copy this URL. And paste it any browser and press enter. You see the security key. Just refresh it several times. It will refresh. You see it is changing. 5 to 7 times, then copy. Open a text editor. I am using Notepad++. Open a new file and put it and change something. Some alphabet, some number, some symbol. It will find. You see, I am changing. Every line you can change how many you want. 4 to 8 it is good. I am changing some number, some alphabet. Because what I have, it is generated automatically. I don't like auto. Generated password or code, it is not secure. This is why manually I changing. copy it and replace with this code. Just delete this block and paste new block. Be careful. Don't mistake anything and save it. Now another one. This is WP debug. Just copy this row URL and paste here, and please read it carefully. What is the recommendation? Just I will change it first to true, and it will help me. But when you are going to live, you must put it false. Close all the windows. Just refresh. All is working? Yes. You see, this is also WordPress recommendation. Validating a website. It is very, very important. Website must be error free. If you have more errors, it will be slow, the site will not be secure, and also it is problem for SEO. For search engine optimization, it is also not good. You can read it. Read it carefully. If you want to be a WordPress developer, you must follow their rules. If you like 5-minute installation, you can do it. But I like this way. This is my opinion. Maybe has better, but I don't know. I copy all my source code and put it here directly and checking how many errors I have. This is pure WordPress. I did not change anything, any code. You see, we do not have any errors. We have only warning. It is good. Warning is no matter, but we will remove this warning maybe next lesson. It is easy. Our website will be error free and warning free. Sometimes warning is coming from official WordPress because they are changing their themes, their code when they are newly updating. Remember, warning is nothing. Error is not good. If you have error with red color, it is not good. You see, Audi, my username is here. I want to hide it. I will hide it now. I don't like that my username will be publicly shown. Just I want to change this line. Just want to add some word. You see, just another WordPress site, not only another. Just another WordPress site with security and organic SEO without free plugins. You see, I like this with security. It is very important for any website. If you have no security, it will crack down within a 5 milliseconds. You see, I am checking all users. I have only one user. The role is administrator. This is howdy. This is my username. We will delete all posts and pages. Next lesson, not now. Now we are only working for installation with security. You see, just type question mark author is equal to 1 after your URL and press enter. What happened? You see, the author name is here and there. Anybody can see your username. It is not secure. You must change it. You see, everybody know your username. This is the WordPress weakness. If you install with 5 minutes, nobody change you. You can use plugins, but it is also not secure. Remember it. Your security is your hand. If you don't want, no need. If you want, do it. So it is not updating. Sorry, I forget the browser cache clean. Just I want to refresh. You can change password, whatever you want. I'm always changing password. You see, you can generate new password here. You see the password? It is very difficult. Nobody can remember it. I cannot remember. Maybe you can. Okay, I want to do it more difficult because it is auto-generated. I will change it. This is my habit. You see, the password is now good. Just paste it. It is more strong. But your username, know everybody. It is strong. It is very strong password. But what about the username? You see, howdy. You must change it. This is our username. Just I want to check my website is working or not. This is my username. And this is my new password. Remember me login. Oh, what happened? Oh, sorry. The L is missing. Copy it and paste it. Now it will be okay. I make this change just for test. This username must be changed and hide also. Here is one user with role of administrator. We are going to official WordPress. Role and capabilities. Please read and change your username. Now I don't want to show you my code. I will put it my website. Please read about the user, what WordPress saying. If you have time, you can read it and learn it and do it. I spent my 12 years in WordPress. Many of us just want to know with one tutorial all about WordPress. It is not possible. You see the level 0. This is the subscriber level, and this is the all level for user. You can learn and change your user level. Now I will show you quickly how I will do it. I'm going to my XAMPP folder, then phpmyadmin. I want to add new user. I will do it very quickly. Please don't do this change if you are not professional. If you make any change, your site can be break down. I'm going to use it and inserting another user with ID and login name and password. This will my final username and password. You see my user ID now by default it is 1. Any WordPress website by default the user ID is 1. It is not good. You must change it. I am changing 3995 3995 and my username WordPress with security. WordPress with security. It is very easy. Username. That means login name. Don't use this name because it is just for tutorial. Original login name must be strong. You see, I'm changing also password. Again, if you are not professional, don't do this. If there are many requests for this tutorial, for this part of tutorial, I will do another tutorial with all codes. In future, I will put all the code on my site. See the eurowebsite.com and the date and my user display name WordPress. WordPress. It is very easy. It is very easy. I'm especially putting here WordPress. Just try to log in with your WordPress. This will false name. It will show here. You see, it will show here. But you cannot log in with this. It is the display name. And press go. You see, one row inserted. It is difficult. Don't do this if you are not professional again. Even if you are professional, first backup your database. First backup your database. Then try. Now I am putting something here very quickly and go. It is also good. Again, my ID, user ID, this is 3995. And this is my prefix level and 10. It is also blank at this time and go. All are green, it is good. Now I'm closing phpmyadmin. Just log out. And now I am going to log in with my new username and password. This is my new username, this login name, and this is my password. Remember me and log in. You see here, Howdy is WordPress now. It is good. Try it to log in with WordPress. All users. Now I have two administrator. One is original and one is I just created with phpmyadmin. This is newly created. I want to edit it, giving my first name, WordPress, strong security or hard security. I think I like hard security. Last name, hard security. Nickname, you can put here your nickname, not my nickname, but it is required. Now I will type something. WordPress 5. The new version will come, WordPress 5, maybe next year. You see, I'm waiting for WordPress 5 version. This is WordPress 4.9. This is my nickname and display name publicly as WordPress. It is good. You can choose from here any display name, but remember, WordPress is secure. We specially create it and give your email, not my email, your website, not my website. You can generate new password from here. I'm not doing now. Just update and profile updated. Now again, all users, and I will change the first one. Just edit and change the role, not administrator. It will be good if you change its author. It will be good because the author has limited permission. It is good. Update again. Then all users, you see. Now it is author, the first one. Adding more user. It is also for security. For security, create more user. It is very good. You see, I have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This will 5, and maybe this is the last one. This is the password also 5, user 5, author, and add new user. Okay. You see, only one administrator. You can delete if you don't want, and show you how to delete it. You see, it is deleted. It is very easy. And I want to make a new post. This is all post. This one by default. Just give a post name, test for ID security testing. I type it and okay, I don't want to edit it. It is good post. Please press screen option and check all the box. It will be good. Just I'm showing why. Uncategorized, and you see author. Author, you must choose from here, not the original one, that administrator. Only author. The one author will be posted from here. It is for the security reason. This is author, not administrator. I'm showing you now. You see who is the author, who is the administrator. It is very difficult if you have a lot of users, but you must remember it. Type somewhere who is the author, who is the administrator. All post will be or page will be by the author. It is good for security. Remember it and publish. All the picture is coming. It is default picture. 2017 theme. It is very nice. This is our test post with true for. Now we'll test our security ID, author ID. You see, you can trace it. Oh, it is coming. What is coming? Not the original one. You see what is coming? It will depend how to change your user name in phpmyadmin. You see our original username. Log out. You see, you cannot because our official login name this one. WordPress with security. WordPress with security. Now it is logging. Now need to check again all code. Are there any errors is coming? Copy all the codes, source code, and check with W3C validator site. No error, some warning, but it will find, will clear it. Please, please, please. If you think my tutorial is useful for you, please subscribe me. If you have better tutorial for installation, please share your link. I will happy and everybody will be happy. If you know better, share with us. We'll happy. The last check for any web developer when you are developing any website, please check it with console. Just inspect element and go to console. It must be without red. No red color here. You see, all is good. Thank you for watching. Now it will be half time, copy time for next tutorial. For the next part, please subscribe if you like my tutorial.